This is from my friends at TesStudios. This is the stalks for the Model S and Model X, and it's needed for this car. Unfortunately, Tesla did put the buttons on the steering wheel, but you know, it's sometimes nice to have the levers, and we're going to put it in the car right now. These stalks are amazing. My wife has been driving it for the last couple days, and the first day she forgot about them because you don't see them behind the wheel. They're almost invisible. But the second day, her turn signal, the left turn signal got stuck. So she was able to move and use the stalk like normal. So it's good having options, and this is a pretty easy install. And something like this is not very difficult, so it doesn't take much time. And again, hit me up if you're interested.